In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check out the size of our mailbox in Microsoft Outlook. Understanding the size of your mailbox is very important, especially if you regularly send and receive emails. Keeping track of your storage helps you stay organized and prevents you from reaching your mailbox limit unexpectedly. Let's go ahead and walk through the process step by step in a simple and clear way. To begin, open your Outlook application. If you're using the desktop version, you can click the Outlook icon on your taskbar or simply search for it using the Start menu. Once the application launches and your inbox is visible, you're ready to move on. Next, navigate to your mailbox settings. Look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This will open a menu where you can access various account and mailbox options. From there, select the Tools option and then choose Mailbox Cleanup from the list. This feature is designed to help you review and manage your mailbox storage efficiently. After clicking Mailbox Cleanup, a new window will appear on your screen. In this window, you'll find several useful options. To check the size of your mailbox, click on View Mailbox Size. Outlook will then display a detailed breakdown of your mailbox storage. You'll be able to see the total size of your mailbox, along with the sizes of individual folders such as your inbox, sent items, and other folders you may have created. This gives you a clearer picture of where your storage is being used the most. Now, it's also important to understand mailbox limits. If you're using an Outlook account connected to a Microsoft 365 or Exchange service, your mailbox will typically have a storage limit ranging from about 50 gigabytes to 100 gigabytes. As you get closer to that limit, it's a good idea to start managing your emails more actively. You can do this by deleting unnecessary messages or organizing older emails through archiving. The Mailbox Cleanup tool can also help you locate large emails, making it easier to remove items that take up the most space. And that's how you can check the size of your Outlook mailbox and stay within your storage limits. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.